Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. Now today I've run out of ideas. We're going to be looking for the new long shotgun. That's right, we're looking for the Schlong.
No, don't make it gay.
Now I've heard that the map's also snowy now. I hope they don't do the same as last year, but let's jump into it. What do you think about my banana skin though? Sheesh. Got the default pickaxe on because it's best pickaxe in the game. Damn! I think they've just released the Christmas update. Gotta land clock tower. Get off, just get off, bro. Just get off. I'm too good for you. Just get off. Get back to the lobby, mate. See you in hell.
I don't miss a shot!
Oh, just get off me! I am so cracked at this game. Oh, where am I even at? Oh, yeah. Oh, he's here.
Don't do it. No.
Just get off, mate. Just go back to the lobby where you belong. Imagine being beaten by a banana, though. You must be an absolute bot. Oh. No. Alright, it's time to split. Oh, just get off, mate. Get off. Oh, shoot. I ain't got any more mats, bro. Bro, I have not got any more mats. What am I meant to do? Man, I need game audio on. Apparently FaZe actually saw my last video and they're considering me joining the clan, so I'd be honoured to join FaZe. Yeah, get off. This kid actually thought about landing on me and then he thought, nah, he's the most cracked banana I've ever seen. I'm gonna lose instantly on this kid. What is this? Get off, get off, get off! Back to the lobby, mate. I wish I could see you in the lobby, but I'm not heading there anytime soon, mate. I'm gonna drop a quick 100 bomb. Still not got the long shotgun, by the way, can I add? Let me just get a 100 bomb real quick. Get off. Just get off. Oh, I thought that would have... Bro, why have they made fishing rods blue? Like, who's actually going to pick up a fishing rod? Got to have 27 chromosomes to pick up a fishing rod. Hello, bro. Oh, you thought I were there? No, I'm on your right. Oh, I just shit myself. Just crank a quick 90 on him. Gotta finish it off with a pickaxe, of course. Bro, what? How? What the fuck happened? What happened? Bro, this kid should be back in the lobby by now. He should be in it. Oh, how have I died to this stupid chuffing bot? Sheesh. What are we saying? Best skill of the year?
No.
I need to put both earphones back on. Get off, Brit! Get off! Honestly, FaZe! Where is this kid? He's right there, obviously. Oh, yeah, mate. See ya. See ya, mate. See you back to the lobby. Oh, mate, just piss off back to your slum. Yeah, see ya. Imagine me in that dog shit. Good game, bro.
Kobe! Kobe! Ah, yes. Why has everyone got
yes,
that?
they got the long shotgun. If only I were in this game.
How did you know?
Huh?
Oh, and the truck just spawned straight in front of me. Kill.
What's up, fuckers?
Ah, please, please, please. Don't expect me to bop him. How did I do that? He's pushing you. It's defo Justin. Yep, Justin. Don't worry.
Right, knock
I'm
his
about to
shield.
sweat on this kid.
Right here, I've knocked his shield. The one in purple? Yes, has no shield.
Oh my god, I'm so done. Get to life, man. Get to life. He's dog shit as well.
I can't get in!
Oh, how hard is it to get in?
wasn't me.
Jeez, that is grinded. Wait, where's this lever action then? I'm guessing you just picked it up.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah, and the whole world has just landed on me. What the hell?
Fucking funny, seriously.
Where were all these players a second ago? What the hell? Why is like the whole thing? Oh, what is this guy even doing?
He's got that chilling grenade.
Then I go.
My aim is so sick.
Your face?
I know, why aren't I in phase yet? I'm joking, I am.
The all new face Harvey.
Oh yeah, you're about to get cramped over phase Harvey though.
What are you aiming at?
Get
What
off,
are you
get off,
aiming
mate.
at?
Yo, my aim is insane!
Yo!
Let's go,
Get
champ!
off!
Let's go,
Did
champ!
you get sniped at by someone? Yeah, well, I've got to be a bit cautious of that. Yep, he did.
Have you ever thought about using an SMG?
Get off, bro, just get off!
Get a reboot! Get a reboot!
Forget about me.
Oh yeah,
You
I'm
can take
too
the
good,
lever action.
honestly, I'm too good.
Just take the lever action if you really want it. It's still there.
Is
Oh
it?
my! Please stop. I feel like gonna die. Oh, it's gone. Okay, the kids loved it. Nice. Yo, the reboot bag's right
Well. Oh, I'm just trying to loot up my guy.
there. You killed the kid with the exotic.
Did I?
Yeah, you did. Put that med kit on.
Yo.
Can
Yeah, I'm sorry.
By the way, this sniper is not good for this type of stuff.
What, for long range?
Yeah, I just shot you in the head. Thanks, Harvey.
Let's go.
This kid's probably going, oh, this thing is so annoying. There's so many damn people shooting me
Oh my
at once.
god, burn parties!
Yo, don't you just low speed on a hill? and
Yeah, but
shoot
watch
people?
this.
That's not gonna reach.
Ah, why is that a thing?
Just eat this.
Yo, my
yikes.
guy. See ya. Oh, what? It didn't even work. This gun is so poo.
I'll be taking that.
Yeah. Ah. Bro, why? This game
Yeah, why
hates
do?
me. Oh my god, please stop bumming. Please stop bumming, bro. This kid is trying his hardest right now. It's really not nice.
I got no mats. Crap. Wait, I'll just do this. Haha, take break.
Oh, bro, take a chill.
Fuck you,
See
kid.
ya. Oh, yes!
You
I
actually
just
got it.
iced him into the storm. Let's go. Jeez. Oh, I
Yo,
got
come
him.
on,
Let's
man.
go.
Where's he gone?
He's like iced in his structure. He's like pooing himself. Oh, I got him again. See ya.
There we go. Goodbye.
Look at the noob. Oh, my game. Oh, I actually did you
Why
just
is
hit
he-
every shot?
Oh, the first
I'm joking, I
time.
didn't hit any shots. I got him, I think. No,
Wait,
I
this is the
didn't.
last guy.
Is it?
Yeah.
He's cracked like no other person.
Yes, sir.
Pick
Yes,
him up,
sir.
just like
Yes,
himself.
sir. Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
So hard.